Okay, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. Today we are making sweet potato chicken hash. Yummy! Hi, I'm Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we are making sweet potato chicken hash. Yummy! Stuff I just had hand. I had the sweet potato. I put it in the air fryer for about 6 minutes. Well, actually about 15 minutes total. Then I'm going to take these onions and peppers in the back here. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. Then I've got some chicken breast that I had in the freezer that's already cooked, grilled chicken breast. We're going to slice that up. And we are going to make yummy chicken hash. Now, the chicken hash, you can put eggs over it. You can eat it by itself. You can serve it with a bunch of different stuff. I cubed up the cooked chicken and the cooked sweet potato. I put a little Creole spice on that, some hot pepper flakes, just a little bit, okay? You just want to give it a kick. When you add hot spices, you don't want to overpower it. You just want to give it what we call a push. And if you use just a little bit, just pushes the natural flavors in the chicken and the sweet potatoes and the onions and the peppers. It doesn't make it hot, okay? All right, so you want to use equal parts of each ingredient too. I've got the same amount of sweet potato to cube chicken, and then I'm going to add, and in keeping with that, I'm going to add the peppers when they're done. We're going to toss that, put it in the oven for another 3 minutes, and then we're good to go with this yummy chicken hash. Okay, just out of the oven fryer, sweet potato chicken hash. Lickety split, took about 14 minutes altogether. Now, what I usually do is I serve this on a board on the middle of the table, and then I have some warm corn tortillas with it. Absolutely yummy. But you can serve it with a number of things. You can also, this is about 4 portions. This will feed at least 4 people. Now, that's just 1 large chicken breast. That's some onions and peppers and 1 sweet potato. When you can't beat it, the whole thing costs about $5. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well.